Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. June parking lot sale is out. June parking lot sale is out. They're handing out flyers already. This is courtesy of Reddit. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing and hyping. And let's just go ahead and jump in. Let's do our flyer read. It is parking lot sale, June 1st through June 7th. Everyone saves. ITC through the 4th, and then everyone through the 7th. And let's look at it. We'll just start off with the yellow ribbon. We'll go into the main one and we'll go through all the ads, starting with the 3.5, well, the 3 by 5 foot American flag with embroidered stars, 55% off, $449, not available in Minnesota. 5 mil nitrile powder free gloves, 100 pack, $598, 50% off, exactly what we expect. The titanium step drill bits, 12 steps, 11 steps, 50% off, $996. 5500 lumen 4-foot linkable LED hanging shop lights, 32% off, decent, but we've seen better, $17. 30 caliber ammo box, Bunker Hill. This is going to be a free gift this coming weekend, so just a heads up, 50% off. That was not bad. $298. 24-foot LED outdoor string lights, 35% off at $18. And then here we have the heavy hitters. The heavy hitters. And the first one, 35% off all Icon wrench sets in store only. Then 30% off all Vulcan welding products. I know there's been a few people who have been waiting for their welding sales. 30% is good. Wish would have been higher, but 30% off all Vulcan, specifically welding products. Then 30% off all Doyle professional tools and equipment. Again, this is a rough one. It is all Doyle, which is good. They're not specifying one single Doyle product like hammers or wrenches or pliers, but they have knocked these down. They've done 40% off all Doyle in the past, but here we are, 30% off all Doyle professional tools and equipment. And then 40% off all Grants. At least they're still doing it for Grants. 40% off all Grants products in store only. They do have the popular steamer here, which is great. Towels are always great. Although we do see the towels go higher percentage off than 40%, but this gives us a chance at all the Grants products. And then they've included this. This is different for the parking lot sale. They've never included it on the main banner. Everything looks a little bit scrunched, but we have the Bauer. Buy a Bauer starter kit, $100, get a free tool. We've been waiting for Hercules, but they haven't done it for Hercules. But Bauer's legit. And looks like they're offering, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 8, 9 different tools. So get a free tool, choose from 9 tools. They have the ratchet in here, reciprocating saw. I think this is the small shrub saw. We have the string trimmer, angle grinder, impact. Bauer, $99. They used to do $89, I believe, but $99 is not bad to get into the line, especially for the glue gun. I'm sad they don't offer it here. But anyways, Bauer starter kit, $99. So they've included this in the main ribbon. But we'll keep going. Let's go through everything. We have the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart, $200, $90 off, close to the best deals we've seen on this. The 5-drawer mechanics cart, the mini steel toolbox at $15, 21% off. Definitely been lower than that, about $12 before, but $15 is not too bad. Predator, 13,000 watt tri-fuel portable generator with remote start and CO secure technology, $950, $350 off. Central Machinery shop fans, perfect time for the summer. Your choice of the 24-inch wall mount, 24-inch 2-speed high velocity, or the 30-inch 3-speed pedestal high velocity, all $30 off, all $150, all of them down to $120. We have the Icon 1/4-inch drive, the Meme Tool 2.0 down to $60, 25% off. Is an okay deal. I mean, solid deal. We have seen it discounted though at 40% off. Not sure if we'll ever get back there. Badlands EXR, 12,000 pound truck SUV winch with wire rope, $269.99, $80 off. Bauer's 5 amp 9-inch variable speed drywall sander, $100, $50 off. McGraw 20 gallon 135 psi oil lube vertical shop auto air compressor, $50 off, down to $200. And then we have the Wobble socket extension set, 9-piece. 41% off, $989. The 30-inch by 18-inch 1,000-pound capacity hardwood dolly, 27% off, $13. 40 by 72-inch moving blanket, 42% off, $346. There will be a free moving blanket this weekend. 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs 4-pack, 54% off, $596. 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander, 50% off, $20. And then the 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding disc 15-pack, 40% off, down to $598. That is page 1. And then on to page 2. Let's zoom in. Actually, we should have zoomed in a little bit more. We have the 500 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar light. This is a little bit more potato-ish picture. 33% off, $20. High vis socket adapter set, 4-piece, 42% off, $289. Fully polished combination wrench set, 14-piece, 28% off, $18. The 1/4-inch drive magnetic socket holder, 41% off, $996. 3/8-inch drive magnetic socket holder, 35% off, $12.99. And then the 1/2-inch drive magnetic socket holder, 26% off, $17. And then we have a US General alert. We do have the 72-inch by 22-inch triple roll bank cab, $400 off. But let's see if that makes sense. $400 off of $1,800. 22% off. 22% off is pretty solid. 22% off is pretty solid. US General storage days, I believe, is 20%, maybe 25%. I forget how high those would go, and it depends how high they're gonna go if they do them. But 22% off, round up, maybe to 23%. It's close enough to be a solid get if you go with it during the parking lot sale. Then we have the 42-inch by 22-inch roll cab. $80 off is less enticing, but $80 off of $600. It's only 13% off, so that we can avoid because you can get a 15 or 20% coupon consistently throughout the year. And then we have the US General 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart, $100 off of $600. And also that off the top of the head is not sounding great. 16, almost 17% off. So again, we will get our 20% off coupons, one likely for Memorial Day, but also at least once or twice a year outside of that. So 17% off, not bad. You could pull the trigger on it, but just know that you will have a chance to get a deeper discount if you can be patient. We keep going. Pittsburgh 1.5 ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump, $80, $30 off. The 3-ton low profile floor jack with rapid pump, $70 off down to $100, $170 normally. Then we have Daytona 3-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, $120, $60 off. And the Badland 1.5 ton, this is the smaller one, $50 off down to $230. And more Badland, 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote, $480, $120 off. And let's just check what that percentage is compared to the 10 days of deals that's coming at the end of the month, at the end of the 10 days of deals. 120 off of 600, 120 off of 600, 20%. So definitely, if you're going to get one of these, or at least if you're going to get this one, definitely do it during the 10 days of deals as opposed to this parking lot sale. Then we have the Badland 5000 UTV Power Sport winch, $140, $40 off. Daytona 6-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack stand, $60, 25% off is the standard deal we've been seeing. One of the HARBROs was asking for a shop crane. Here's a 2-ton capacity foldable shop crane, $70 off, down to $300, normally $370, and that's just slightly below 20% off. We have Pittsburgh Mechanics tool set, 225 piece, $40 off, $100. The Quinn 1/2-inch drive SAE and Metric Master Impact socket set, 61 piece. This is $50 off. I believe it's going to be down now. That's if our eyes didn't trick us. It's going to be down to $100 during the 10 days of deals, which they can change up if they want to. And here it is in the parking lot sale at $130, which is a decent deal. We'll do the math. 50 off of 180. It's 28%. 28% is excellent, but if it's $80 off during the 10 days of deals, make sure you pick it up during the 10 days of deals. Pittsburgh 6,500 pound capacity portable ramps, 2-piece, $45, 25% off. A couple of Viking items, the 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery, jump starter and power pack, $280, $120 off. And then the 250 amp 6 and 12 volt wheeled battery charger engine starter, $40 off down to $180. We have the 12-to-1 infrared laser thermometer, 43% off at $13. 10-inch pneumatic tire and wheel hub, 23% off at $692. The 35-inch tool bag with 14 pockets, is that 35 or 15-inch? 50% off, $498. 10-foot, can't read the gauges, indoor-outdoor extension cord, 40% off, $479. 8-inch cable ties, 100 pack down to $146. And the 12-volt portable tire inflator, 35% off at $11. Next page, starting at the top, 4.5-inch by 7/8-inch Type 01 4-1 metal cutoff wheels, 10-pack, $398, 55% off. The all-famous 1500-watt Warrior heat gun, 50% off at $996. Titanium high-speed steel drill bit set, 21-piece, 35% off at $13. And then the 9-foot by 12-foot Disposable drop cloth at 98 cents, 50% off. 4-inch stacking bins, 50% off at 149, and the multi-use transfer pump at 50% off, 398. We have some more Predator deals. The 11,500 watt tri-fuel super quiet inverter generator with remote start, $400 off of $2,200 down to $1,800. The 3,500 watt super quiet, $150 off down to $650. The 5,000 watt gas powered portable generator, $100 off down to $400. The 2-inch 212cc gas engine semi trash water pump, $72 off down to $218 from $290. And then the 350 watt power station, $40 off. This one's always fun to do the math because they rarely discount it that much. We got $40 off of $280, not even the 15%. But fun to math it because they never give a good deal on it. Always, at least I can't, there hasn't been a time where the 15 or 20% did not make more sense than the random sales they have for this power station. 6.5 horsepower OHV horizontal shaft gas engine, $40 off, $110. 3,200 PSI, 2.8 gallons per minute, 6.8 horsepower pressure washer, $80 off, $320. And the gas powered earth auger, $50 off down to $180. Portland's electric pole saw, 31% off, $48. Central Machinery 7 horsepower plate compactor with wheel kit, $120, $580. The 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart with removable sides, $50 off down to $140. Cover Pro 10 foot by 25 foot. Forget which one that is. Portable car canopy, $100, $40 off. Avanti's airless paint primer and stain sprayer, $200, $50 off. Yukon 5-tier shelf, 36 inch by 18 inch by 72 inch, 33% off, $40. Franklin's 800 pound capacity hand truck at $58, 17% off. Armstrong 37 inch to 80 inch full motion TV wall mount, $30, 25% off. Union Safety, I know there's a couple HARBROs looking for some gun safes. Maybe they're looking for safes in general, but $50 off down to $330. And then should have done it with the Avanti, but the handheld HVLP paint and stain sprayer, $35, 50% off. And then the bottom reel, 43% off. The blue shop towels at $198, 98-cent mini pick and hook set, 50% off. Hex shank socket driver set 3-piece, $196. Cushion grip screwdriver set 12-piece, $593. 20-inch 4-way lug wrench, $998. And then the 200 lumen super bright flip light, $169 at 43% off. And then last but not least, page 4. Page 4, we have the heavy duty air compressor accessory kit, 33% off, $18. The 3/8 inch by 50 foot rubber air hose, 34% off, $16.49. More rubber air hose, the 3/8 inch by 25 foot, 20% off, it's $12. Digital tire inflator, 40% off at $18. The folding hex key sets, 3-piece at $398, 50% off. Metric Star and SAE. And then the 4-inch ratcheting bar clamp spreader, 34% off, $1.49. We do have some Fortress and Hercules. 27-gallon, 200 PSI high-performance oil-free vertical shop air compressor, $50 off, $350, down from $400. And then the 6-gallon, 175 PSI high-performance oil-free pancake job site air compressor, $20 off, down to $140 from $160. Then the 10-gallon oil-free horizontal shop auto air compressor, $35 off, down to $255 from $290. And then the Merlin 3/8 inch 50-foot premium retractable air hose drill, $25 down to $75 from $100. And we do have some Hercules Alert. The 15 amp 42 inch 1 1/8 inch hex lower wall breaker hammer with maximum vibration control, $100 off of $500 down to $400. The 9 amp variable speed surface conditioning tool, $100 down $40 from $140. And they do have this surprisingly on its own back page. I'm not sure why they put the Bauer on the very front, but here we do have a Hercules. Buy a Hercules starter kit for $120. And this was probably the promotion that we were thinking about. Maybe it's not going to come out during the 10 days of deals, or maybe it will. They did show it in the non-Will Smith Harbor Freight video. Buy a Hercules starter kit for $120 though. Whew, $120. Choose from the 7 tools: angle grinder, circular saw, reciprocating saw, the blower, the fan, impact wrench. Save up to $80. So an option to get into the Hercules line, but it's at $120 when this used to be, correct me if I'm wrong, I think this used to be $100. So that's a little bit tough. Liquidation sale, always good to check to see what's been marked down. Maybe by the last day you can go and stack some percentages off. We do have some more Bauer 2000 PSI 1.3 gallon per minute max performance electric pressure washer, $150, $40 off. The portable electric pressure washer, 1800 psi, $25 off, down to $75. We have the 8.5 amp impact wrench with rocker switch, $65, 13% off. The 5.7 amp 6-inch 8mm short throw random orbit polisher sander, $35, 46% off. Huge discount. We do have some titanium, $100 off of the unlimited 140 professional multi-process welder with 120 volt input, down from $600 to $500, and $40 off of the welding table, 36-inch by 24 modular welding table with welding fit up kit, normally $190 down to $150. And then we have for the tarp bros, the 11 by 19 foot heavy duty reflective all purpose weather resistant tarp, 32% off, $17. Trigger sprays nozzle, $396, 33% off. Automotive plastic fastener kit, 240 piece, 47% off, $998. 6.5 amp orbital variable speed jigsaw with laser, 25% off at $30. The 2800 weatherproof protective case from Apache, medium, 33% off, $20. And then the 1800 weatherproof protective case, small, 23% off, down to $994. And those are our parking lot sales. HARBROs, what do you think? What do you think? 35% off all Icon wrench sets. So if you haven't stocked up on the wrenches, 5% less. But that's the time. They throw in a bone for the welders. 30% off all Doyle gives us some good variety of options of things to pick up. 40% off grants. Love to see 40% off. And then we have the Bauer and Hercules kits. And then just classic parking lot sale. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Let me know what you think. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.